Hello guys, ito yung ating Philippine breakfast. Ayan. Wow. Sa ating mga Pilipino, ito yung ating gustong-gusto sa breakfast, right? Yung sinangag. Ayan, na may itlog. Ayan. Sinangag na kanin. Ito yung aking ginawa is brown rice to guys. Ayan, may quinoa. Quinoa. Ayan. So, with coffee. Alright? Ayan. So, minsan, mag-ano yung aking Arnold, magbe-breakfast, tapos nilalagyan ko siya ng ano, oh, my breakfast is American breakfast. Ayan. Pero yung aking Leo is almost Philippine food. He like it. Ayan. Ayan, ganyan tayo guys. Ayan, coffee with cinnamon. Ayan. So, ito yung ating breakfast. So, later, mayroon tayong dessert.